Hello everyone. Today we are going to begin with the fourth poem of English literature book, that is God Save the Beetle, written by Ruskin Bond. So, by seeing the title of the poem, we can realize that the author is asking God to save the beetles. So, beetle is an insect, as you can see in this picture. So, now let's begin with the poem. Lord, please give some sense of direction to this beetle who keeps blundering through the open window and falling into the goldfish bowl. Twice I have kept him from drowning and returned him to the garden, but he keeps coming back, zooming and diving about the room until plop. In this stanza, the poet is requesting God to give the beetle an idea of where to go because it is entering in the poet's room by mistake from the open window and is falling in the bowl of golden fish. Then the author says that he had saved the beetle 2 times from drowning into the water of the goldfish bowl and has returned him to the garden where it can live safely. But he keeps on coming back again and again to the poet's room and is falling into the water and is making a plop of sound. He is in the goldfish bowl again, swimming round and round and looking very tired. In 5 minutes' time, I must go to bed. And if you don't get this beetle to look after himself, who will? Besides, it make the goldfish nervous. So, once again, the beetle comes into the poet's room and falls into the goldfish bowl and swims round and round looking very tired. So, the poet is asking God that within 5 minutes I am going to sleep and in my absence no one is going to look to the beetle. Therefore, the poet is requesting God to help the beetle to look after himself. And on the other hand, the goldfish, she is also tensed about what will happen to the beetle if it falls into the water bowl again when the author is sleeping. So, I hope you have understood the poem. Thank you.